Q1. What is meant by the term business environment? The options are A. Internal functions of a business. B. Sum total of all external and internal forces affecting a business. C. Only external factors of a business. D. Government policies and laws only. The correct answer is B. Sum total of all external and internal forces affecting a business. Explanation: business environment includes both internal and external forces influencing a firm. Memory tip: think of it as everything around a business. Q2. Which of the following is not a characteristic of business environment? A. Dynamic. B. Static. C. Complex. D. Multifaceted. The correct answer is B. Static. Explanation: business environment constantly changes, so it is dynamic, not static. Memory tip: static is equal to stuck, business is never stuck. Q3. PESTLE framework is used to analyze which type of environment? A. Internal. B. Micro. C. Macro. D. Natural. The correct answer is C. Macro. Explanation: PESTLE includes political, economic, social, technological, legal, and environmental factors, all macro. Memory tip: PESTLE is equal to macro cake layers. Q4. Which of these is an internal factor? A. Competitors. B. Employees. C. Suppliers. D. Government regulations. The correct answer is B. Employees. Explanation: employees are within the firm's control is equal to internal environment. Memory tip: employees is equal to inside the walls. Q5. Which is a part of the micro environment? A. Tax policy. B. Technology changes. C. Competitors. D. Global inflation. The correct answer is C. Competitors. Explanation: competitors are immediate actors in the firm's micro environment. Memory tip: micro is equal to market circle around you. Q6. Which of the following is a feature of business environment? A. Isolative. B. Uniform. C. Multidimensional. D. Non-repetitive. The correct answer is C. Multidimensional. Explanation: business environment affects various dimensions: legal, social, economic, etc. Memory tip: multi is equal to many sides of a cube. Q7. The internal environment includes A. Government policy. B. Employee morale. C. Competitors. D. Trade unions. The correct answer is B. Employee morale. Explanation: it is a part of internal company culture. Memory tip: morale is equal to mood inside the company. Q8. Business environment is said to be because it keeps changing frequently. A. Complex. B. Static. C. Dynamic. D. Simple. The correct answer is C. Dynamic. Explanation: it reflects frequent changes in external and internal conditions. Memory tip: dynamic is equal to dancing, always moving. Q9. Which of the following is not a component of the macro environment? A. Social factors. B. Political factors. C. Customer preferences. D. economic factors. The correct answer is C. Customer preferences. Explanation: customer preferences are micro-level, not macro. Memory tip: customer is equal to close is equal to micro. Q10. A major objective of studying the business environment is to A. Avoid taxation. B. Monitor employee behavior. C. Identify opportunities and threats. D. Increase production. The correct answer is C. Identify opportunities and threats. Explanation: studying environment helps in planning for risks and spotting opportunities. Memory tip: O and T from SWOT. Q11. A sudden increase in petrol price is an example of A. Internal environment. B. Microenvironment. C. Technological environment. D. Economic environment. The correct answer is D. Economic environment. Explanation: petrol price is influenced by market forces is equal to economic. Memory tip: money is equal to economy. Q12. The sum total of all internal and external forces influencing a business is called A. Business strategy. B. Business policy. C. Business structure. D. Business environment. The correct answer is D. Business environment. Explanation: this is the formal definition. Memory tip: environment is equal to everything. Q13. Which one is a controllable factor in a business environment? A. Suppliers. B. Government regulations. C. Employees. D. Market trends. The correct answer is C. Employees. Explanation: internal factors like employees can be controlled. Memory tip: employees is equal to inside is equal to control. Q14. Which of the following is a socio-cultural factor? A. Interest rates. B. Religious beliefs. C. Import duties. D. Fuel prices. The correct answer is B. Religious beliefs. Explanation: social values, religion, culture is equal to socio-cultural environment. Memory tip: culture is equal to people's way of life. Q15. Political environment includes A. Inflation rates. B. Labor laws. C. Currency exchange. D. Climate conditions. The correct answer is B. Labor laws. Explanation: these are created by the government is equal to political legal. Memory tip: politics is equal to policy making. Q16. The scope of business environment includes A. Only domestic factors. B. Only foreign policies. C. All internal and external factors affecting business. D. Only legal factors. The correct answer is C. All internal and external factors affecting business. Explanation: it's a broad area including everything. Memory tip: scope is equal to wide vision. Q17. Macro environment effects. A. Only large companies. B. All businesses. C. Only government bodies. D. Only MNCs. The correct answer is B. All businesses. Explanation: macro factors apply universally across industries. Memory tip: macro is equal to major is equal to everyone. Q18. Interrelated nature of environment means A. One factor affects another. B. All factors are isolated. C. No factor impacts other. D. Government alone affects business. The correct answer is A. One factor affects another. Explanation: political changes may affect economy, social trends, etc. Memory tip: domino effect logic. Q19. Which of these is a technological environment example? A. Labor law change. B. New social media tools. C. Import ban. D. Price inflation. The correct answer is B. New social media tools. Explanation: related to technological innovations. Memory tip: tech is equal to tools. Q20. The internal environment is generally A. Unpredictable. B. Controllable. C. External. D. Legal in nature. The correct answer is B. Controllable. Explanation: businesses can manage internal factors. Memory tip: in is equal to in your hands. Q21. A business firm's relationship with its suppliers is part of A. Internal environment. B. Macro environment. C. Micro environment. D. Natural environment. The correct answer is C. Micro environment. Explanation: suppliers fall under immediate external stakeholders. Memory tip: suppliers is equal to surroundings. Q22. Demographics relate to which type of environment? A. Economic. B. Social. C. Political. D. Legal. The correct answer is B. Social. Explanation: age, gender, population, etc. are part of the social structure. Memory tip: demographic is equal to people stats. Q23. Natural calamities affecting business is an example of A. Social environment. B. Internal environment. C. Environmental factor. D. Economic crisis. The correct answer is C. Environmental factor. Explanation: natural environment includes disasters, climate change. Memory tip: nature is equal to environmental. Q24. What is meant by multifaceted nature of business environment? A. Only one view. B. Affects only one department. C. Different people interpret same change differently. D. One-dimensional. The correct answer is C. Different people interpret same change differently. Explanation: one law may benefit one firm but burden another. Memory tip: multi is equal to many views. Q25. Business environment is also known as A. Strategic function. B. Surroundings of business. C. Product life cycle. D. Internal audit. The correct answer is B. Surroundings of business. Explanation: it covers everything surrounding the business. Memory tip: environment is equal to surrounding. Q26. Business environment helps in A. Forecasting the future. B. Ignoring customer needs. C. Creating internal conflict. D. Hiding weaknesses. The correct answer is A. Forecasting the future. Explanation: helps anticipate changes and prepare accordingly. Memory tip, environment is equal to radar system. Q27. Economic environment includes all except A. Inflation. B. Interest rates. C. Fiscal policy. D. Religious beliefs. The correct answer is D. Religious beliefs. Explanation, that is socio-cultural. Memory tip, economy is equal to money, not morals. Q28. Political stability is a part of which environment? A. Economic. B. Social. C. Political. D. Legal. The correct answer is C. Political. Explanation, it influences business confidence. Memory tip, politics is equal to power stability. Q29. The structure of business environment includes A. Only internal environment. B. Only macro environment. C. Internal plus macro environments. D. Only government policies. The correct answer is C. Internal plus macro environments. Explanation, structure includes all these levels. Memory tip, 3 layers is equal to I plus MI plus MA. Q30. Which factor is related to legal environment? A. Fashion trends. B. Taxation laws. C. Birth rate. D. Export culture. The correct answer is B. Taxation laws. Explanation, legal rules like tax compliance shape business. Memory tip, laws is equal to legal.